Guys, pay attention when you look at it, because it'll tell you the percentage of charge. Look, gotta keep it straight up, so that you don't, all the way to the left. About 25% recharge. Definitely needs a recharge.